to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing new Huda Beauty Nymph Body Highlighter. And there's so much hype on Instagram and all over social media about these all over body highlighters. So you know your girl had to pick one out and try it out for myself and for you guys because I'm a makeup junkie. So you know I had to try this. I've seen on Huda Beauty's like Instagram that she puts it all over her face and then her foundation over. I'm a little scared about that because I do have oily, sensitive skin. So I'm like, ugh, like anything with glitter, I feel like is gonna clog my pores, but they claim that it's not, so we will see. And we're gonna see like just how it holds up underneath my foundation, being that I do have oily skin. So let's just get right into it. So I'm going to use a brush to apply it on this side of my face, and then I'm going to use this Real Technique sponge to apply it on this side, just see what works better. I'm like excited, scared, nervous. I don't know how to do it, but let's just do it. That's like really shiny. It smells like I'm on vacation. I really hope this doesn't break me out. But I will be the guinea pig for you guys. Okay, it doesn't feel sticky, but I know it's still like drying down. Okay, now I'm gonna try this side with the Real Technique sponge. So I'm noticing right off the bat with blending it with a makeup sponge, it is leaving it like patchy and just not cute. So I'm gonna go back in with this Morphe brush and just blend that out so it's nice and even. See how this side looks like way more shinier than this side? I'm not gonna put a lot on my forehead just because I don't even like to put a lot of foundation on my forehead. I use like pretty much whatever is left over on like my makeup sponge or brush for my forehead. I don't know why, I just have like that forehead wrinkle line, and if I can avoid foundation getting in that line, then that's what I'm gonna do. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe Fluidity foundation and just put it on top of this. I'm actually going to use my Real Technique sponge because that is how I like applying this foundation. So I'm not gonna change that up. Okay, I'm kind of tripping out like how pretty it's making my skin look. I need to look at this up close. Okay, this is making my foundation look really pretty. Like not really blending by my mouth for some reason. I don't know, it's making it look weird by my chin. Okay, I don't know what it's doing right here by my mouth, but I don't like it. It looks really weird like by my mouth right now. I don't know, I'm going with it. So far, I like how it's making my skin look, but it is not blending out like around my nose area and my mouth. It just looks freaking weird. And I feel like it looks really cakey around that area, which I'm not loving at all. Like I feel like it's gonna break me out. I don't know, maybe it's because I don't have the brush that you're supposed to use with it, but I feel like you shouldn't have to buy this and the brush because that's gonna set you back almost like $100. Okay, by the nose, it just looks horrible. Or maybe that's the way it's supposed to look. I don't know. Okay, do a little concealer using the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. This concealer has been growing on me. I'm gonna bring a little bit down right here. Maybe it'll help blend out around my nose. And because I got such a light shade in this concealer, I like using it to highlight as well. Using that same Real Technique sponge, I'm just going to blend this out. It definitely made it look better around like my nose area. I mean, maybe that's the whole point, for like some of it to like peek through. Because right now some of it is totally peeking through, but maybe that's the vibe. I don't know, but it doesn't look horrible. So far so good. I'm going to finish up the rest of my face and then I'll come back and we will put it on our body. So I am I'm gonna put this all over my chest and my arms, and I'm really curious to see if this is going to transfer onto my shirt because HUDA claims that it is transfer proof, so we shall see, HUDA. We shall see. I'm just gonna go ham. I'm gonna use the same brush we used for our face. Oh my gosh. Okay, we are glowing to the gods, which I am not mad about. It's a little sticky, but not as sticky as the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. I have that one too. This one feels really nice. Like it dried down to like a matte finish. I'm gonna take my black shirt because it has like a little flap. And I'm just going to press it on here. Okay, it didn't transfer. Okay, so final thoughts on this product is I love it for the body. I'm like still indecisive about my face. I just don't like how it's really accentuating the texture on my cheeks and it's really settling into my laugh lines. Maybe I'm just old and I need some filler, but it really like blurred out my skin and just made it look like really flawless. I think I want to try this with a different foundation because I did use it with such a matte foundation, and sometimes matte foundations can really like show all your imperfections on your face. So I think I'm going to try this one more time, but use it under like my Tarte Found Sealer foundation or the Eddie Funkhauser foundation, which I love. So yeah, I would recommend this if you're in the market for like an all over body highlighter. And if you want to be like glowing to the gods this summer, get this. Okay guys, that's going to wrap up my review for the Huda Beauty Nymph All Over Body Highlighter. I hope you guys learned something new about this product. If you were curious about getting it or not, I hope this helped you out. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, hippies.
This product is called N.Y.M.P.H, but it's an acronym. If I wake up with a damn pimple like around my lips or my mouth, I'm going to throw this in the trash. Like, hey shoulder. I don't know why my ear is so red over here. I am on my period, so maybe that's why. You guys, this glow, I feel like an alien, but